I just hang up the dirty water and gravity pulls it through a filter down the hose and fills up my water bottle. All right, let's go and pinch it off. Rumor has it there's brook trout in this lake, and I haven't caught a brook trout in a long time. I got my rod rigged up with a little fly. It's got a black leech with a gold bead on it. I don't know a ton about this lake, but most lakes like this in Alaska have leeches in it, and trout love to eat leeches. I think I want to bring a hot water bottle with me fishing, but I don't want to sit and wait for a pot to boil on my stove. Woohoo! Yeah, that's toasty. Oh, that feels nice. Well, the fishing isn't going great.